My name is Michael Pastor. I've been around the city of St. Louis for about 10 years or so through various amounts of different kitchens. I finally had the opportunity to branch it on my own. Me and my longtime girlfriend Megan kind of came up with this concept that we researched and just kind of snowballed from there. So this is her. It's a 20-foot shipping container. We mounted on the back. Pre-apartment sink, little cutting board. We have a little freezer here for ice cream sandwiches. Kind of our sauce and topping station, which leads to our 5,000-pound wood burning and gas combination oven.
We've gotten great feedback from the 2 weeks that we've been open. We're hoping that the residents around the West End want us to continue to open here every night. Any night that we don't have an event, we'll try to be here open on the lot. Here you go. Thank you.